All right, now that we are done editing our video, it is time to export it. So up here in the top left, we go ahead and click export. And then we come and we change this portion right here. So we keep the .mp4, but we get rid of everything before that. So in here, I'm going to type in commercial. This one's for BHS cross country. I'm going to change the location because I want it to go inside of my folder on the desktop. So we'll click on desktop, and then mine goes in Nike Hole in the Wall 2023. And then what I will do is click save, and that changes the location to inside of my folder on my desktop. When I'm done with that, I make sure that it says H.264, which I hopefully will not need to change. And then you check the range and make sure that it is entire source. Make sure that it is not anything else, but make sure that it is entire source. And then from there, you'll go ahead and click export. This new pop-up will be here, and we watch the progress bar come across. And then as soon as it's done, it'll say it's complete, and we will be able to find it on our desktop. So we're going to wait here just a quick second, and it is complete. It tells us that the video was exported successfully. I can go and look on my desktop inside of my folder, and inside my folder, we're going to look for, what did we title it again? Commercial BHS Cross Country. I click on it once, hit spacebar, and there it is. It pulls up just perfectly.
Who are you talking to?
And everybody, that is Nathaniel from second period.
Who are you talking to?